Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. In this series, we will learn transformation of functions. In this section, we study how certain transformation of a function affect its graph. So we will learn vertical shifting, horizontal shifting, reflecting graphs, vertical and stretching, vertical stretching and shrinking, horizontal stretching and shrinking, even and odd graphs. So many things. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to tell you vertical shifting. And here is the question. Use the graph of fx equal x square to sketch the graph of each function. Gx equal x square plus 3 and here second question hx equal x square minus 2. So first we solve and then we can observe which type of vertical shifting. Okay. So first we graph fx equal x square, and before going to graph this, we have to make a table for fx equal x square. So here x and here fx, which is x square. Okay. So when we put 0 here, we get 0. 0 square is 0. When we put minus 1 or 1, we get 1 because minus 1 square or 1 square is 1. When we put minus 2 or plus 2, we get 4. When we put minus 3 or plus 3, we get 9, and so on. These are at least you can choose 4 to 5 numbers. Okay. And here for a question, here gx equal x square plus 3. Now gx equal x square plus 3. Here x and here gx is x square plus 3. So simply here we can add 3, right? X square is given this and 3. So when we put 0, we get this 0 plus 3, 3. When we put minus 1 or 1, this x square is 1, 1 plus 3, 4. Or we can say 0 plus 3, 3, 1 plus 3, 4, 1 plus 3, 4, like this. And for minus 2 and 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. For this minus 3 and 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. And for hx, this x square minus 2. And for this table, x and hx here given x square minus 2. So for 0, 0 square 0, 0 minus 2, or we can do here subtract 2. For minus 1 and 1, we put here. So we get 1 minus 2, minus 1, minus 1. When we put minus 2 or 2, 4, 4 minus 2, 2. And when we put minus 3 or 3, 9, 9 minus 2, 7. Okay, like that. And when we can graph this x square plus 3 and x square minus 2. A question and B question. Okay. Okay, here is the graph of these three functions. Fx equal x square, this is the blue one. Okay. This is goes from origin 0 0, and you can see here in table also 0 0. Okay, this is 0 3 gx from here this, and this is shift vertical 3 unit up, and this is 2 unit down. So you can easily see that here actually these x square means fx is same here. Okay, so we can say this one is fx plus 3, it means 3 unit up, and we can say this one is fx minus 2 is 2 unit down. Okay, so vertical shift, it means this is same function here, this one and this one, and this shows plus 3, it means 3 unit up, minus 2, it means 2 unit down. So plus means up, shift up, and minus means down, shift down. Okay. Conclusion is, suppose c is a positive number, so to graph y equal fx plus c, shift the graph of y equal fx upwards c unit. So this is fx and this is fx plus c, so this is c unit upward. Okay, shift upside. And to graph of y equal fx minus c, shift the graph of y equal fx downward c unit. So this is actual original function fx, and this is fx minus c. So this is c unit downward, shift down. Okay. So a vertical shift of graph is very easy. Just you can check plus or minus any number, okay, and draw graph. So if you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.